I'm Rhonda. Today I'm making spaghetti. If you were a kid, I suggest that you get a grown-up for this because this will require using the stove.
Oh.
These are my ingredients. Peppers, onions, basil, we're using linguine instead of spaghetti, ground beef, tomato sauce, and additional Italian seasoning. Go ahead, hit it and show it. First we're going to saute the vegetables. And then we're going to add the ground beef in. My mom only cut it up the vegetables and only put oil in the pot, so she used to be good to go. Now we're about to add the ground beef in. Next, I am adding the linguine to a boiling pot of water. Add any seasoning that your heart desires. Your favorite Italian seasoning, some salt. But right now we are just adding these Italian seasoning to the spaghetti. We also have fresh basil that we are adding to the mix. We also have Italian bread in the oven, if you like that with your spaghetti. Keep getting the meat until it turns brown and there's no red meat showing. And then you can move on to the next step. Right now the noodles are boiling and we add a little salt to it to make it taste a little more. Some people don't, but we add salt to the spaghetti. Next we are adding the tomato sauce. Look how it pours into your
You can also cut up your own tomatoes, but we're just using tomato sauce.
Yep. And the final product, I added a bit of little Parmesan cheese and a bit more basil to it. And this is what your spaghetti should look like, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.